Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah, we're going to hiking by hiking. Oh, and then my son is riding his bike. He can bike. Oh, hold on, let me lock the car. Okay.
I go slow.
Now, so there's a river here.
Yeah.
It's a river here.
Wait, it's next to the other one, right?
Yeah.
Because that's where the other bridge is at?
Mm-hmm.
Where we pass on the street?
Yeah.
Oh,
Uncle Goose are coming fishing here.
yeah, that's a good spot to fish.
Nice.
But they're pooping there.
Hành nhỏ nên chỗ nó. Tôi kể là họ chơi khỏi nuôi của bay.
Poison ivy around here.
What you say?
There might be poison ivy.
Yeah.
You heard what I said?
What?
There might be poison ivy.
Nope.
There's no poison
No
ivy.
poison ivy is away from here, so you won't be able to get stung.
How about poison oak?
Poison oak? I don't think you can get. No. If you don't touch it, it won't.
Well, we're on the hill, so we
Yeah, if you don't touch it, it won't sting you. Okay. Look. There's a people right there. I think they're hunting some cocktail. Wow, look at the flowers. So pretty. Hey, hold on. The flowers. Buy some cocktail. Feel like spring đó, it's not. Tức bay liền tu. Bay liền tu, yeah. It's spring á. So, some go there ba. Okay, go. Hút the tân được cái mà mới cho ba mà không có tiêu. Nó có xí lú DJI Osmo tự bay hai video đó. Mới giờ có xí của lú camera đó. Hay là mà cho chi không có sai ta. What? Yeah. Sand? Yeah.
Should we go down there?
What, you want to go play with it? Here, go. You want to leave your bike here?
No, I want to bring it. Oh, shoot, it's steep.
It's okay. Careful. Whoa, careful. Break yourself. Break yourself.
I'm going to ride my bike.
No, just leave it there. You want to play with sand? Go ahead. Don't ride with it. So dễ. Nó so dễ. Tính năng là to. Nó đây mẹ ô đây trên xe hả? Wow, lên xe hình. Water.
I want to touch it.
It's cold. Try it if you want to. But you have to like lift your sleeves up. Put it. It's cold?
No.
No.
I'm going to swim here.
No. No.
You will smell poop. Alright, let's go back up.
There. Phải ừ.
Am I pretty?
Nó sure gì? Phải show.
Come on.
Push it, push it. Oh, alrighty. What, you got sand on your feet?
Yeah. In my shoe. How ruthless.
No. Some gold. Sự sông ta điêu. Wow, chả bạn sông câu nó thế. Bạn chịu. Cho chứ. Cho bạn sông câu. Wait. Wow. Tôi sinh tài. Để sắc kế đó chị. Không mò hết đây.
That's poison oak right there. This is poison oak, Mommy.
Where?
Right here. This red one.
What?
That's poison oak.
That one?
Yeah.
No, that's like raspberry.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is it red?
Well, because it's like thorn. There's thorn right there.
A thorn?
Yeah, thorn.
The red thing is a thorn?
Yeah.
What if I touch it?
You're gonna get
Stung?
no, you're gonna get poke.
Oh.
Yeah.
Or just poke a little bit, right?
No. You just don't touch it because it had thorn. Wow, look at that.
You won't
It's a
stop?
pretty flower. Wow. Wow. So thick. Wow. Nó thế là xuống câu nữa.
Whoa. Water too.
Huh?
The water sound.
Water? Okay. Okay, let's go. Now wear your hat.
How do we leave it right here? I hope I don't leave it. A hole right here.
Ooh. Oh, woo. Hi, cha. Oh, we go this way. Goes to the left side.
Yep. Keep going on the trail. Hey, it's going by itself.
Oh, there's a bird right there.
Where?
Wow. Chỉ tao là cho nó nữa. ta ở nó để ít của tôi nó thì của tôi cho lại halfway đó hết rồi tất cả lại.
Look, acorn.
What?
Those are acorn.
No, they're not acorn.
What are they?
No, they're like some kind of like disease, you know?
Disease?
Yeah, plant disease. You don't touch it.
I hear something. What if I touch it?
No, you don't touch it.
Like those right there?
Yeah, it has disease.
So if I touch it, that'll get the disease?
You touch it, you're gonna have that bump. You know? You know the bump?
Yeah. So the plants got infected by that.
Wow. This nó sinh tài á. Just got you.
This is a disease.
Smell a little bit. Gotta do research. Oh look, there's a puddle with this.
Ooh, I'm gonna run over it.
No, you're gonna get yourself dirty. Auntie missed it. Auntie should come. It's a very nice place here. Oh.
I should have done faster.
Yeah, so glad you brought your bike. And otherwise, you have to walk. You know.
So I don't have to touch the ground.
Yeah.
But we also just touching the ground easy. Look at all this disease.
I don't know how far we're gonna go this way.
All those mushrooms?
Huh?
Are they mushrooms?
Wow, ba con nữa này. Okay.
Hold my head just in case you can fall for me. Ooh, going downhill. You ready?
What's that? You know what that is?
What?
Mới sẽ phải lẹ.
The disease is on the ground.
What?
There's a disease on the ground.
Yeah.
The soft tail. I think those are weeds.
Really?
Oh, right there, so close.
It's so close? Wow. Huh?
Why are you so far behind?
What?
You're so far behind. Oh. Hey, there's no more that disease stuff.
Hả? Ở chị? Ừ. Con đó. Ừ. So, wow. Thế khó chăn nó xung quanh cái cho nên mà không sợ nó bị linh đuổi. Tên nó chút xíu. Hà nhỏ. What? What?
There's a cat.
The cat? Where is the cat?
Over there. We go left or right?
We go left.
Okay. That's a perfect way. Some allergies.
What?
Some allergies.
Oh. Oh, that's weird. Cause I don't come out like this because I had allergies. You see that? You think that's poison oak?
No.
Huh?
No.
No. That's what you said earlier.
No, it's red.
Yeah, but that's not poison oak. That's a raspberry, wild raspberry.
Why are you wanting to go back?
Huh?
Let's go back.
Why?
Because I don't want to get stung.
Who is he over there? The homeless people living.
Mhm. They live near Gibson Ranch. Whoa.
No, phải để chở đó. I think it's like 20 minutes now. Nên có picture now. No, it's no, no, that's all. It's perfect. What? What happened?
Let me do something.
You make it lower?
I made it low, but there we go. Hey, there's cars over there.
Yeah, that's probably the end of it. Oh, you know why? That's the bridge that we crossed earlier. Remember? That's a bridge. Yeah.
That's what we saw.
Yeah. So we're gonna go over there and then come back, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll go back to Gibson Ranch.
Yeah.
So we go over there, all the way.
No, not over there. We're going right there and then come back.
Okay.
Because that's the dead end.
Wait, where'd you walk at?
So the có nói có cái ngủ trong đấy cái chứ không phải nó chỉ thấy cái ô đâu cái này gọi là trái không nó chỉ có cái toàn gọi chứ được rồi chị chúng mình ra ra sống luôn để cái đâu có chuyện cái này không có không được Just hold it tight up and then, yeah.
money you push.
Okay, now you do it yourself.
Dang, it's quiet.
What?
It's quiet.
You know, when you were little, you don't know how to do that. That's why I have to push you all the time.
I'm going higher.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Hmm. Climb. Whoa. Yeah. You got to slide back.
Here, I'll do faster.
You want to do the monkey bar? Yeah.